A warm welcome to all my viewers and subscribers to Wings of the World by Bird Paradise in Singapore, and I hope you have an enjoyable afternoon.
However, sometimes the fruit do have unhealthy toxins in them.
Lambo and Ferrari, and look, we are home to more than 3,500 birds, over 400 avian species. 400, oh no! Oh wow! Nice. Impressive feathers on his back. Yeah, one example real on stage to build nests for their young. Oh, very pretty. I think we are all ready. Everyone watch them. Look at our screen.
There it is.
Hey, up. Peekaboo. Okay, ready? Lights. Yay! And the landing. Thank you very much, Higgins, Katie, and our wonderful trainers. Alright, ready now? Let's prove it to her that you are the rooster. Rooster. There you go. The rooster.
That's what you meant by the rooster.
Are you ready now, little parrot? Can you welcome everyone? Wait. He said more than welcome. Did you catch the whole sentence? No? He said welcome to paradise. Shall we hear that one more time? Yes or no? Okay, one more time. By special request. Can you see? Ready? Wow! Shall we give Quincy a big hand, everyone?
So parents, they love to copy and imitate sounds made. Time, what's your name?
Amigo!
Is anyone celebrating their birthdays today? Can raise up your hand. Don't be shy. Yes, you want that. Anyone else? 2. How about from that? 3.
Oh, so many.
Anyone more?
Olivia has a very heartwarming. In Bird Paradise, she was nursed back to health and now has a safe, permanent home with us. So hope some more on that side. Ready?
And
Slightly distracted this afternoon.
correct. But these orphans, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. It gives them strength and stability to move up and down branches. Edith, want to add anything else?
Can I talk about their tongues? Actually, hornbills have really short tongues.
Now, great white hornbills are one of the largest species of hornbills that can be found in Southeast Asia. In Borneo, which is one of the places that they can be found, some tribes believe that when a
Look, Vicky is waiting for it. Doing gesture, not to worry. We can look at our screen once again, okay? Hornbill, she's checking out the nest cavity. And just like what Shakira said, only if she likes it, then she will pop right in. Just like that. So that's what's happening. The male feeding the female through that small gap. In fact, this unique nesting behavior is shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbills.
now happening to these beautiful birds here. And then
Birds like those will fish with other birds in the wild, catching their prey using that long bill and enjoying the weather.